What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on euro dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see on the lower time frame, we can find a significant trading opportunity on euro dollar. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade euro dollar. Let's look at first of all monthly time frame. Now if you look at the monthly, first of all we see that overall over the long term we have seen euro dollar was in a long term downtrend, and finally in the last 3 months what we see that euro dollar has bounced from this very important level of support, creating series of higher low. On the monthly perspective, euro dollar has broken to the upside. Previous months has created a strong bullish candle which has a wick at the bottom and also wick at the top, which is a typical bullish monthly candles. Now, after this kind of candle, we can expect another bullish candle to the upside on the monthly perspective. As this is the first or second week of the month, we see that euro dollar primarily created an impulse to the upside as soon as market open. Now we can expect a correction on the higher time frame. Even we could see euro dollar coming back to this previous neckline of this previous resistance, turning support for a deeper retracement before creating another push to the upside. So with that in mind, on the lower time frame, we could see some bearish move now. Euro dollar. Looking at the weekly perspective, this is the weekly candle as you can see, and from this very important level of weekly resistance, creating a lower high, euro dollar has started to drop. Now if we closely look at this weekly price action, we see that there is an impulse. Now we can expect also on the weekly perspective a correction. Now with that correction, this is the monthly resistance that we see. On the weekly perspective, we can expect at least to come back to this level where there is a liquidity zone top of this long bullish doji, which is resistance turning support, and we can expect now a drop on euro dollar on the lower time frame. On the weekly perspective, looking at daily, we see the daily price action is still bullish. Market structure, as you can see, is showing bullish. There's a long impulse correction, impulse. Now because we have seen a false breakout on the daily, as you can see from this resistance, we can expect euro dollar to come back deeper for this retracement to this, where we can see the weekly resistance level turning support with this daily 20 EMA. As price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we have seen a huge liquidity gap on the daily time frame. Now we can expect the price to come back to another liquidity zone before creating any impulsive move to the upside. So on the lower time frame, we still can expect euro dollar to drop further for this liquidity zone. So looking at intraday perspective, now as you know that long term trend is still bullish, but short term we see that there is a bearish price action starting from an impulse correction. Impulse, now it is in another correction phase, so where we can expect euro dollar to give us a potential trading opportunity. If you closely look at, you can see that this is the support zone here on the local structure, which is turning resistance with this 20 EMA, and also local support with turning resistance. Now if we see euro dollar is rejecting from this level with a strong price action, in that case only we can consider going short on euro dollar to take this move to the downside with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you will be trading euro dollar. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.